Once, in a quiet village nestled among rolling hills, lived a young seeker named Koji. Koji had always struggled with his inner voice, which seemed to be a constant source of doubt and negativity. No matter what he did, his thoughts whispered of failure and inadequacy. One day, Koji heard of a wise old monk who resided atop a distant mountain. They said this monk possessed the secret to taming the inner voice. Determined to find a solution, Koji embarked on a journey up the treacherous path that led to the monk's abode. After days of arduous travel, Koji finally reached the summit. The old monk greeted him with a serene smile and invited him to sit down. Koji poured out his heart. Explaining his struggles with the relentless negativity of his inner voice, the monk listened attentively and then gestured to a nearby waterfall. "Do you hear the sound of the water?" he asked. Koji nodded. "Now, focus on the sound of the birds chirping in the trees," the monk instructed. Again, Koji nodded. "Now, listen to both the waterfall and the birds simultaneously," the monk said. Koji closed his eyes and tried to heed the monk's advice. He strained to hear both sounds at once, but it proved difficult. The monk chuckled softly. "Just as you cannot listen to both sounds at once, you cannot hold on to two conflicting thoughts simultaneously. Your mind is like this mountain. Vast and spacious, capable of holding countless thoughts, but not all at once." Koji pondered the monk's words, feeling a glimmer of understanding. "The key," the monk continued, "is to let go of the thoughts that do not serve you. Just as you let the sounds come and go without clinging, allow your thoughts to flow through your mind. Acknowledge them, but do not become entangled." As Koji practiced this simple yet profound wisdom, he began to notice a shift within himself. He realized that his inner voice was like a passing breeze, fleeting and transient. Over time, Koji learned to observe his thoughts without judgment, allowing them to come and go like clouds drifting across the sky. With the monk's guidance, Koji discovered the power of cultivating a compassionate and nurturing inner voice. He realized that he could choose the thoughts he entertained and that he was not bound by the negativity that had once held him captive. Returning to his village, Koji shared his newfound wisdom with others, helping them to improve their own inner voices. And as time passed, the village transformed into a haven of tranquility, where the gentle rustling of leaves and the soothing whispers of the wind replaced the harsh echoes of doubt. And so, the journey to improve the inner voice began with a simple lesson from nature, a reminder that, just as the mountain could hold the symphony of sounds without clinging, so too could the mind hold thoughts without being ensnared by them.